Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to add this PC icon on desktop in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To add this PC icon on desktop in Windows 11 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings. Now click on Personalization. Now scroll down, click on Themes. Again, scroll down. Here you will find desktop icon settings. Click on desktop icon settings. Under desktop icons, you will find an option computer. Just click here to select computer. Now click on apply. Then click on OK. Now close settings. Look, this PC icon is added on my desktop in Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.